Hi, this is Brian from Orion Motors, and today we're going to give you an overview of our kitchenette setup here. So starting from the end of the counter, we have a standard gas stove on the end, and then moving towards the middle, we have a sink, and that sink has a 5-gallon freshwater tank and a 5-gallon gray water tank. The benefit of that is that you can fill that 5-gallon jug anywhere, and you can dump the 5-gallon gray water anywhere there's a toilet or a sink. We also have the option of adding an additional 25-gallon tank with a water heater. Moving down the countertop, finally we have a 12-volt electrical fridge underneath the counter. Now, when we did market research, we heard from people, hey, I really like to cook inside, but I also like to cook outside. So how can we set up an outside kitchen? I talked to the team and I said, really our challenge is, in order to have a frictionless experience, we want the ability to set up an outside kitchen in 3 minutes or less. So to achieve that, you first take the quick release table down, set it up outside like I have here. Then you take the camp stove, set that outside. Now you have an outside stove. Then you hook up a sprayer to the faucet, and now you've got water outside. But the big challenge was, how do you make the fridge easy to access? Normally the fridge opens inboard when you're cooking inside, but when you're cooking inside, it's a challenge. So we developed a swivel fridge concept whereby the fridge actually moves. Okay. Now the fridge can open from the side. You can access the fridge from outside. You can just open the door, grab your ingredients, and continue cooking out here. It also provides the additional benefit that when you're grocery shopping, you can bring your shopping cart right up alongside the van here and unload right from the shopping cart right into the fridge. So it really adds to the convenience of the whole experience. So that's the overview of our kitchenette.